Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. I am so excited for today's video. I asked you guys over on my Instagram, which if you're not following me, you should be, because I always ask for y'all's input as well as what videos you guys would like to see. And I let you guys choose for today's video which one you would prefer. And you guys chose this one. So I am giving you all a little mini wedding decor haul as well as an update on how our wedding planning is going and everything else. Honestly, I'm ready to jump on into this because I know it may be a little bit of a long video because I have a lot to update you guys on and I'm really excited about. Before we hop in though, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. And let's get into it because I got a lot to tell you guys. And Charlie is hanging out here with me because I came home from work early and so he wanted to cuddle with me. Right, bunny? You good boy? So starting off, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of update on our engagement photos. Okay, Mr. Antsy Pants. Clay and I actually took our engagement photos not this past weekend, but the weekend before. So once you guys see this video, it'll be like a week and a half ago that we took it. We went up to Asheville, North Carolina. If you guys don't know, we live in North Carolina. And we took ours at Looking Glass Falls. It's a beautiful location, a beautiful waterfall. We had an amazing photographer. Her name is Erica. I will try and remember to link her stuff down below for you guys to check out if you're interested or you're looking for a photographer and you live like near the Charlotte area. She is awesome. We loved her. She was great, easy to get along with. And she's actually going to be the one who takes our wedding photos too. So it was good kind of getting to meet her before the big day, so that we're not feeling rushed or like weirded out or concerned because we don't know our photographer, you know? We did an entire vlog of our trip though, so if you guys want to go and check that out, I'll link it up here in the corner of the video as well as down below in my description box because we vlogged our weekend. I mean, we went up there to also see my brother and his girlfriend, literally basically my sister-in-law, and they were super awesome and let us stay with them for the weekend. We stayed on Saturday night. We got lunch with them on Saturday, like went to Sierra Nevada Brewing. We had such a good time. But like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and link that vlog for you guys if you wanna go and check it out because I did share the actual location too, so you guys can kind of get a better glimpse of it. And also go and check out my Instagram because I shared a lot of pictures from that trip, so there's a lot on there. And even in my like travel story icon, you can go and check more stuff out there that I put on my Insta stories. Now our engagement photos are done. So once we get those back, which should be, we're gonna get some glimpses at the end of this week, it should be. And then a week from that, we should get all of our photos. So I think once we actually get the glimpses, we're just gonna pick one of those and go ahead and make our save the dates and get those mailed out to everybody and then work on finding what we want to do for our invitations. So that's kind of where that's gonna be. I'm actually going to be making our save the dates and you guys can do it too. If you wanna know how I do it, I'll make a whole video on it. It's super simple, really inexpensive, and honestly can save you a lot of money if you're looking to do a more budget-friendly option. Next thing to update you guys on, this past weekend on Saturday, we actually went and did a cake testing. Okay guys, we got our little cakes to test. We have Italian cream, red velvet, lemon blueberry, pink lemonade, white raspberry, and this is chocolate with white icing. This is about to be so good, isn't it? I'm so excited. Guys, oh my God, I think I literally almost went into a sugar coma with this. Like, we tried 6 different types of cupcakes and this bakery their cupcakes and their cake are so sweet. They're moist and they're delicious and the icing on top is so creamy and good. Oh my God, they're the best thing ever. Like, my mom showed me them and they're actually like in my hometown and they are amazing. So we had 6 different flavors and obviously like chocolate and vanilla cake are just kind of the go-tos, very simple. So what we actually decided on doing is ordering a 2-tiered cake, which I'll put a little picture on the screen of kind of what we're looking for out of our cake. It's gonna be like a 10-inch bottom and a 6-inch top is what she told us. But we're going to be adding our own flowers and our own cake topper, which I'll show you guys because it's actually in the haul later at the end of this video. But we're just going to do a 2-tier cake for us so that we can actually cut the bottom and do like our whole cake cutting ceremony with that cake. And then we'll save the top half for our 1st year anniversary. And then we're going to do cupcakes for everyone else just so that it's easy. It's not like we're having to cut a bunch of cake and we don't have to get a huge cake. Like, we could just get cupcakes for everyone. It's just a lot easier. And the cupcakes are going to be delicious. I like already know it. So we actually ended up deciding on 3 different flavors for the cupcakes. We're going to do the chocolate, which has chocolate chunks in it. So good, you guys. And then we're also going to do just a plain vanilla one with vanilla icing. And then we also chose the white chocolate raspberry flavor because it's so good, you guys. I'll have to take my word for it. Clay and I, that was our favorite flavor that we tasted of the day. So of course we wanted to make sure we incorporated that into our actual cake tasting and all that kind of good stuff, or cakes for the actual wedding day. So we chose that one, and we're going to end up doing like a 70-30 sort of split. So then we'll have like 70% just vanilla and chocolate, and then a 30% of the white chocolate raspberry, or maybe it'll be like 80-20. We don't know. We're going to ask the cake person what they suggest. And then we have our own cake for ourselves, unless we want to eat the cupcake, which I probably will because the white chocolate raspberry is life. It has like a filling inside. It's just so good. I was just very happy with that one. But then for our actual cake, it's just going to be chocolate with the chocolate chunks inside. So that is what we officially decided for the cake. We went ahead and paid for the actual physical cake, and then the cupcakes we will do closer towards our date once we have a more exact number of how many people will be attending. Last little update, we have not found Clay's ring yet or his wedding band. We're going to be going to look at those soon. And same for my passport. I still have to do my passport for our honeymoon trip. So those are 2 of our next goals, and also finding a DJ. So if you guys live in North Carolina or live near Charlotte area and you have suggestions, please feel free to leave them down below for us, because I would love to hear y'all's suggestions, because we're looking for a good DJ that's going to play both current and really fun music while also still including some throwbacks and some oldies and just like classic party songs. So if you guys know anyone good, let me know. Charlie over here is just so needy of my attention right now. But yeah, those are the 3 things that we are working on currently. I know for sure that Clay does not want a gold, just a like gold metal band. He's actually looking for something a little bit more modern and new. He's not 100% sure on style yet that he wants or what type of material, but we're going to be going to look soon, and when we do, maybe I'll try and do like a vlog for you guys so you guys can check that out as well. And now that I've given you guys kind of all of our little updates on all the small details and stuff going on as far as wedding planning, I wanted to do a wedding decor haul. I went with my mom a couple weeks ago to pick up some fun wedding decor pieces just for like our tables and for the actual reception and all that kind of good stuff. Just giving you guys a heads up though, I actually shared all of this on my Instagram story, obviously on my Instagram. So if you want to see more sneak peeks of my wedding planning and the behind the scenes, please make sure to go and follow me on Instagram, because that's where I'm sharing a lot of my stuff for you guys, and you all seem to really like it. But I wanted to show you guys on here for those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, or maybe if you're just now finding my channel, then hello, welcome. And here are just some fun ideas that I had for our decorations. So starting off, this is something that I have not shown on my Instagram yet. And this is actually going to be our cake topper. This is from Amazon. It was very decently priced. I'll link everything I can down below. A lot of this stuff is from Hobby Lobby, so I don't know that I can link it all from their website. But again, like I said, I'm going to do my best to link everything down below for you guys to check out. So this is our really cute little cake topper. I hope you guys, that's not glaring too much for you, but it says love you more, and it is gold. So our color scheme is kind of a gray blue with little bits of gold or rose gold, mostly gold, and then just like white. And then we have like eucalyptus leaves, a lot of those. So this is what we got for the cake topper. It just says love you more. I love this because Clay and I say this to each other a lot, so it kind of has more special meaning to us, and I thought that was gonna be really sweet. It's just acrylic, and again, this was from Amazon, so I'll link it down below for you guys. It was super budget friendly. Moving on, I have this giant bag of stuff sitting over here. The first thing, I have a lot of these little plastic safety glasses. They're just 5x7 little pieces of almost like acrylic. They're just clear. I should take one out. Just kind of looks like this. These are actually going to be what we use for our table numbers. So I'm going to include a little picture on the side here of kind of what I'm thinking, but we're going to put like a vinyl over, like a sticker vinyl over top that has like the script of the table numbers, and then they're going to sit inside of a little wood block, which Clay is actually going to cut out for us, and then we're going to stain those. So it's kind of a little DIY project, but these were also purchased, I believe, from Hobby Lobby. So I'll link them down below too if you guys are looking for cute little table centerpieces, because I loved these. Okay, so this next piece, I know, you're so interested. This is so stinking cute. And again, this is like a great tabletop decoration. You could even use this at like your rehearsal dinner and just like move it between the two. I think what I'm gonna actually do is paint this white and kind of distress it a little bit so that it kind of goes better with our decorations versus having it stay brown. And again, you could do that for whatever color scheme be. You can paint this any color you want, or you could just leave it this. I think it's really pretty by itself. But this again was also from Hobby Lobby. It was $25, but they have 50% off all of their wood decor. So I thought this was just so cute, and they had a lot of wedding decorations, so it was kind of really nice. We're thinking that after our actual like dinner and cake ceremony, you know, towards the end of the night, people are going to be getting hungry again, and they have a fire pit out at our actual location for our venue. So we thought it would be a really cute idea to do s'mores. We're going to have a little s'mores table. We'll have crackers and obviously like marshmallows and chocolates and like assorted candies and all that kind of good stuff. And then little fire sticks that people can go around the, just the little fire pit and warm up and have a s'more. So some things that we got for the table to kind of decorate. They have a lot of stuff at our actual venue that I'm going to use, but I thought some of this stuff could be really versatile depending on whether we wanted to use it for the s'mores table or if we wanted to use it on something else. I mean, starting off, we've got like these we just picked up 3 of these little galvanized buckets, and these are great for even putting like pins in for people to sign your guest book, or if they're like filling out a card with like date suggestions, like we're gonna have that on one of our tables. You could do that. You could put even the s'mores sticks in here and do like 3 of them full of sticks. You could even put, I don't know, like you could literally do so many different things with this. You could put straws for people's regular cups, whatever it be. So we got 3 of these little guys, and these were $4 each, but they were 50% off because they were included in the spring collection sale. And then we also grabbed one of these really cute galvanized, this is a very long, thin, rectangular just tray. It does have handles on the side. This one was $10, but again, 50% off. And we thought this could be cute because you could even do the 3 little buckets like sitting inside here, or we could get more of these and do like all graham crackers on here and then like all marshmallows and all chocolates on one if we have 3 next to each other. Or like, I don't know, there's just so many uses. So we got these, and honestly, a lot of these decorations are going to be really cute and easy to use after our wedding, just as decoration in our house. So that was a big plus. The next cute little decorations that we picked up are an L and a sign and this is bad, and a C because Lauren and Clay, obviously. So we got an L. These were $10 each, but they were also 50% off. So definitely go to Hobby Lobby if you're looking for some good decorations, because they're always having deals. Plus they always have a 40% off coupon online that you can just pull up while you're in line checking out. Oh, and these have little hooks on them, which is nice. So you can hang them up if you want to, or you can just leave them by themselves. I thought they would be really cute to just sit all 3 of them together, like on a table as decoration and just kind of fill in a table. I mean, obviously that's like one thing I honestly did not think about as far as wedding decorations went. I mean, obviously you think about, I keep saying obviously, you think a lot about like table centerpieces and just like flower arrangements and stuff like that, but then you forget that you kind of need to fill in the empty spaces on tables for places where there are going to be gifts, or people are going to be signing your guest book, or maybe they're putting like little date cards, or whatever kind of tables that you're going to be having at your actual reception. You want to think about how you're going to be decorating those. So we've got these, and then also for our tables, my future mother-in-law Tammy said, thank you so much, Tammy. She has been a huge help, and my own mother, thank you, Mom. They've both been so sweet and have been helping me so much with planning and just thinking and organizing and all aspects of the whole wedding planning. Tammy actually has been helping collect some tall gold candlesticks. So we've got lots of different sizes as far as candlestick holders go, and we're going to use those to kind of create different levels on the table as far as decoration. So we've got those. We've also got some clear vases that are going to go in our centerpieces. Oh, we've just got a lot going on. So she has a bunch of stuff over at her house. I have all of this stuff, and then my mom has a few small things that we've ordered off of Amazon as well. So once I eventually get more of those things collected, I'll do another haul for you guys. But that's kind of what's going on now. And then lastly, one more piece I have is this really pretty H. Again, it's like the same wood color as the first Mr. and Mrs. sign, but it's a really pretty cursive H, and I think we'll probably paint this as well. Again, probably just like a distressed white, or even spray painting it gold would be really cute. And this will be fun to hang up in our house or apartment, whatever, after we get married. But again, this can look really cute, just like propped up on a table, or it could be on a wall. We could put it on a photo backdrop. There are so many different uses for this. So again, great decoration piece. Alrighty guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed seeing some little pieces that I've been picking up as far as wedding decorations go, as well as a complete update on what is going on with our wedding planning and where we are in the whole process. We are literally like 6 months away now, which is so crazy to even think about. I mean, it's October 12th and no, literally, yeah. In like 4 days, it will be exactly 6 months away from now, which is so weird to think about because it feels like it was just last year when he proposed and we had over a year to plan all this stuff, and now it's like halfway gone and we're getting so close to the final date, which is both super exciting and super nerve-wracking because we have so much left, I feel like, still to do. We have to also figure out what we're going to do for floral arrangements and get on those because I think you have to book those out pretty early. I'm not sure. But we've got a lot of the big stuff down and out of the way. Like I mentioned before, there were just a couple of different things that we're focusing on getting done next. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much everything wedding update wise that I wanted to share with you all. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. And without further ado, guys, that's going to bring us to the end. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys!